How to make friends at college. I would say first year I came in like so nervous about that aspect in general, and it ends up being a lot easier than you think it's going to be because everyone else is also on the same page as you and they also want to make new friends. The easiest thing for me was to talk to the person sitting next to me in class.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to reach out to that person. Like CA events, like community advisors in your residence hall, if they're hosting an event, go there and meet people who are living next to you. Don't be afraid to try new clubs and try to like get more involved on campus. That's a great way to meet people. Again, like on a small campus, at least like Denison, you will meet people in the funniest ways.
Yes.
My current roommate, I met first year in the communal bathroom because she had the same exfoliant as me and we bonded over that. So you will truly meet people in the funniest of ways.
Yeah, even like in the buildings, you'll start to meet like the other students who are living there. But it also kind of motivates you to be outside of just your room, even in like the communal like dining halls. I would meet people that first year just going up and being like, hey, can I sit with you? Everyone's usually pretty nice and they'll say yes. And then you're meeting a bunch of new people. And before you know it, you're like, I have these friends and I don't even know how I met them.
Yes,
it just
totally
clicked. That. And keeping an open mind. You make friends every year in school. It's not just that first year and then I never made any new friends again. You're surprised at like how many friends you'll make throughout your time and also students in different class years.
Yeah.
So like, especially Denison, it's residential. So you're living with every class year around you. You're not just only sophomores here, only juniors here. So you meet a lot of students in different class years and then you kind of know everybody on campus soon. It's really fun. That's kind of an exaggeration, but it's true that you know a lot of people. Maybe not everyone. You still get to meet someone new, but it's really cool when you get to see people through the different class years.
Perfect. Yeah. For some reason, I feel like I raise my hand, I answer, and then like during my answer, I get scared of like, wait, what if none of this is right?
Sometimes I'm like, what if I'm actually not saying words anymore?
Yeah.